Dave Corinth here. Welcome to my shop. Every Friday when I get off work, there's a local antique mall that's on the way home. So I stop by there to see if they have anything new. And this is one of those good antique stores that has what I call mantiques. Yeah, before I go any further, I do want to clarify something. There is a difference between antiques and mantiques. Antiques is like when me and my wife go to an antique mall, the stuff that she buys, like dishes and porcelainware. And I like mantiques. Mantiques is ball peen hammers, old hammers, planes, auger bits, braces, things like that, saws, stuff a man can use that are antiques. So they're mantiques. In the last 2 Fridays, I've gotten real lucky because I've been able to pick up 2 decent items that I want to show you today. So first, let's take a look at this box. And the box is not great. I didn't buy it because of the box. It's got some electrical tape on it. Other than that, it's in pretty decent shape. And inside of it are expansive bits. And I just happen to need an expansive bit. And the one that I had is not very sharp. I don't ever use it. It's just one of those things that I picked up years ago. But this one is in remarkably good condition. And so I need it for a specific job. And when I saw it at the antique mall, I picked it up. I have this medallion that it was given to me when I was in the Navy in 1995. I went to Iwo Jima on the USS San Bernardino. And here is an actual picture of that ship on the day getting ready to beach at Iwo Jima. And if you look real hard, you can see me standing right there. And after the Marine Corps secured Mount Suribachi, a very famous photograph was taken, and I want to show you that photograph. I'm sure we've all seen this. And we did the reunion of honor to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Iwo Jima, and they gave me this bronze medallion, and I've had it ever since. And I'd kind of like to display it, but it's an oddball size. I want to say it's like 2 17/32. And I want to drill a hole and put it on a piece of wood like so. But it's an oddball size. This expansive bit will be the perfect item. So there's the expansive bits. Now let's take a look at the big box. This box contains a set of Irwin auger bits with a nice oak case. And when you open it up, there are 13 auger bits from 1/4 of an inch all the way up to 1 inch in 16th inch increments. And it's virtually unused. And I say virtually because I've been testing them out just to see how sharp they are. And they are sharp, in excellent condition. Never hardly been used. Honestly, I don't even know if these have ever been used, except by me. And it comes with, of course, the How to Select, Use, and Care for Bits manual. And this is dated, I believe, on the bottom, 1957. So, excellent condition. And I am tickled pink with this because how often do you come across a nice clean set of auger bits that have never been used? And it wouldn't be very nice of me if I didn't show you one of these auger bits in use. So here you go. And the great thing about these auger bits is you can drill through one side until the lead screw just sticks out the back side. And then you pull the auger out, and then you put that lead screw in the hole that you made and finish your cut. And you get a nice clean hole on both sides with no tear out. So how much did I pay for these 2 items? Well, the expansive bits I paid $20 for, which is about $10 per bit considering there's 2 of them in there. And that's about retail. But I don't mind paying a little extra because at this store, the owner, anytime I walk in the door, he lets me know when there's new tools there. The auger bits I paid $40 for, which I think is an absolute steal considering it has the original box with a brochure and they're virtually in mint condition. Now, I almost didn't find either one of these. The expansive bits were on a table under another item and they were both inside the box and you couldn't see them. The auger bits were on the second floor on a shelf tucked behind some other items, and I almost didn't see them. I actually walked by them once, and when I came back through, I noticed the box. So, of course, anytime I'm at an antique mall and I see a box, I'm going to open it and look inside. And to my surprise, a nice set of auger bits. In all, I spent 60 bucks on these two items, and I think I came out all right. So the next time you're at an antique mall, make sure you look in all the corners and look under stuff because you never know what's lurking. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll make more. And of course, thank you for watching. So here's my idea with that expansive bit. Like I said, that medallion is a very odd size, but you can cut any size hole with one of these expansive bits. And all I'm going to do is take it down until that spur starts to score the wood fibers in a perfect circle. Get a good, nice, deep cut, and then I'm going to back that expansive bit out. And since I don't want this to be very deep, maybe about 1/8 of an inch, I'm just going to clean out the inside with a router plane. And this should be a good, nice friction fit. So I won't have to put any adhesives in there to hold that medallion in place because that's not what I want to do.